Hi all, my name is Laszlo Patko. Today I talk about Corel Draw in a first episode of my new tutorial series 10-Minute Hero. In a few days ago, I'm just browsing the Pinterest channel of a friend of mine and I have found something great. This. The simplicity of vector drawing is fascinating, as always, but this image is important for other reasons too. Important because it's a perfect example to understand the structure of the vector drawing. I can recreate these animals with just a few tools in a few minutes, and I will show it for everybody. But before I start, I'm trying to explain how the vector graphics works in this case. We have shapes or objects, whatever you call it. These objects, a circle or a rectangle, like in the real life, can cover each other. In the real life, if I have a plastic ID card, a booklet and a coin, I can hide my coin in several ways. For example, I can put it under my booklet. Or between the booklet and my ID card. This is same on the screen. If I'm right-clicking on my object and I choose the Order command in the context menu, I can precisely choose my object position. I can send it to the back or to the front, or if I need, I can send it to the front or to the bottom of a selected object. It's important to note that's not about the layer order. It's only about the order of the objects. Please note, I'm working on a single layer. Moreover, if I create a new layer with an object and I want to change the object order, I can do it, but the software warns me. Hey pal, I'm on a different layer, don't be stupid. The second thing what you must know that these objects can interact with each other. If I click one of them and then one the other, I choose the type of the interaction. What will happen? With this method, I can easily create complex shapes. The bottom line is the order of the selection. The objects can be melted together with weld option, or can be extracted each other. This is the trim option, but if I need, I can cut the overlap of the selected objects. That's cool, but how to be this frog from the shapes? Easy. I'm just draw one circle, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I need 2 rectangles with rounded corners. I can round the corner of a rectangle on the top panel or with only one mouse move on the corner of the shape with the selection tool. If I'm ready, I'm just select and weld all objects. And then I'm just trim the unnecessary parts. And the contour is ready. The next challenge is the body of the frog. He has 2 feet, This means two circles, of course, a tummy and a mouth. The most difficult part is the tummy, because it's a bigger circle than the body, so I need to resize that. At first I trim the top and the bottom of the main circle. I will use two rectangles for this operation, and listen now because I'm cheating. After the selection, I click on this icon instead of trim option. So I saved some time, because if I select the back minus front option, my rectangle cleared automatically from the canvas. Let's repeat it again. I'm almost ready, but it still extends over the frog's contour. It's time to pick my intersect tool. And kaboom, it fits. The next steps are simple. I just need to apply the lessons. Cut here this small feet. 1 and 2. And the mouth. And finally, color the animal. In Corel Draw, the coloring is simple. The left button defines the color of the object's body, and the right button defines the color of the border. But now I don't need any border, so I just hide it with this small cross of my color palette. The second option is to color shape is the eyedropper tool. If I use that, I need to take a sample, and after my cursor is changed to a paint bucket, I can color with my mouse, like here or like here. But no, he's barely covers his feet. What can I do now? It's simple, just a left click on his tummy and a right click on the order and then the back one menu item. This command changes the order of the objects one by one. If it was the third, it's now the second. This is why my frog has only one leg yet, but if I repeat this step, the selected objects moves backwards again. There is nothing left, I just draw my frog's eyes and nose. I can duplicate the selected objects easily with mouse move and right click. If I'm ready, I color every object with the eyedropper tool and with the color palette. If everything is fine, I'm already cloned my frog here. Thanks for watching and see you soon. If you are interested in additional tutorials, please subscribe to my channel.